In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make motivational YouTube videos without showing your face and without using your voice, just by using free AI website. Okay, so I will make this video super easy for you guys, step by step, how you can start your own faceless motivational YouTube channel just by using AI. Okay, so after I did some research, I found this YouTube channel about that posting just motivational YouTube videos, as you can see over here. So I did some research and I used this website to see how much this channel is making, and as you can see, this is the estimated monthly earning. It's the same channel with 2 million subscribers, and as you can see, and of course from my experience, I already have a YouTube channel. This channel is making a lot of money. It can make like 20k dollar per month just from AdSense. Okay, just from ad revenue. Okay, without sponsorship, without affiliate links and so much more, because they can make more with affiliate links, and if they promote affiliate links they can make more money, and if they promote services or products they can make also more money. So that's why I found this that's why I made this video for you guys, to show you how you can start your own faceless motivational YouTube channel that will be profitable for you. Okay, and as you can see, this is the estimated yearly earning. So I'm gonna show you, let's see the best. I'm gonna show you how much this channel is making from just from one video. Okay, so let's click over here on popular to see the videos that are getting a lot of views. So this one, for example, 67 million views. It was uploaded 4 years ago, and this video is still getting views. Okay, that's the power of YouTube. That's why YouTube is a really profitable business. You can upload the YouTube video and it will keep getting views for years, and keep making money for you for years. Okay, this one 2 years ago, this is the number of the views this video gets. This one 3 years ago, as you can see. Let me show you how much just this one video has made for the owner of this channel. Okay, so I will copy this video link. You can go to Google and search for this website, influencermarketing.com. This website will give you the estimated total earning by video. Okay, you just need to put the video link here, click on the search. There you go. You see, can you see how much this just one video, it's just from one video, $124,000 just from one single video. Okay, just from this video, guys, just from this motivational YouTube video that was uploaded 4 years ago. And of course this video is still making money for the owner of this channel. Okay, you can see how much this video has made. Okay, let's check another video. Okay, let me delete this to show you. Okay, I'm gonna show you how we can make like those videos. It's really easy to make like those videos, easy and simple. Let's check this one, then I will show you how you can make like those videos. Okay, click over here on remove, share, copy the link of this video. I will go to this website, I will put this link here to see how much this video has made. You can see this is the number of views this video. Let me show you this. It's the same video, like as you can see, 17 million views. Let's go to the website. To this, it's $32,000 just from one single video. So you can calculate, you can imagine You can see that this channel is making really a lot of money. It's a lot of money every single month. Okay, so let's get started. So to start making like those motivational YouTube videos, what you need to do is you just need to go to Google and search for this website. Search for Chat GPT. Okay, we will use this website to make motivational YouTube scripts. Okay, so what you I think everybody knows Chat GPT. Okay, so we just need to come to Chat GPT and ask him make an engaging and friendly motivation YouTube script for success. For example, for okay, just for success. Just ask this question, click over here, and here you go. ChatGPT will start creating your motivational YouTube script. What you need to do next is you need to turn this script into voiceover. I'm gonna show you how you can do it. It's really easy and simple. As you can see, ChatGPT will start creating your script. I'm gonna just stop this script over here. We'll give you also title, as you can see. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna copy this script. So I will copy just this part to show you what you need to do to turn this script into voiceover. You need to go to this website, go to Google and search for 11 Labs. Okay, this website will turn your script into voiceover for free. You can use it for free. Put your script here like this. Okay, I'm gonna delete this background music and I will delete this. Here you go, this is my YouTube script. You can click over here and you can choose which voiceover you want to use for your motivational YouTube video. They have different voiceovers. I'm gonna just keep using this one. Scroll down and click over here on generate.
Hey there, fellow dream chasers. Welcome back to our channel where
your name. Okay, I need to delete this. Or you can put your name here if you want. Okay, you will just delete this like this. Okay, I will just keep it like this. Let's dive right into this. I'm gonna add more script. Okay, let's add more. Let's go over here, the first step. Okay, I will copy just the first step. Copy. I will go to 11 Labs and I will put this here. Okay, like this. I just don't want to make this video too much long for you guys. Welcome to my okay, let's just make it like this. Click on generate.
Hey there, fellow dream chasers.
There you go.
Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about unlocking your potential and hey there, fellow dream chasers. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about unlocking your potential and achieving the success you deserve. And today, I have a special dose of motivation and inspiration tailored just for you. We all know that success is not an over.
What you need to do is you need to click on this icon over here and your voiceover will be downloaded to your laptop. Okay, next step guys is you need to go to Google and search for Canva. Okay, it's really easy and simple. Go to Google, search for Canva, sign up by using your email address. We will use Canva to make this motivational YouTube video. Then this will be your home page. Scroll down, you can see over here a video. Click on a video. Okay, you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, what you need to do is you need to click over here on upload file, and you need to upload your voiceover. Okay, this is my voiceover over here. Okay, this is my voiceover. Click on open, and your voiceover will be downloaded to your laptop, to your Canva account. Click on your voiceover will be under this page over here. Click on add page. Okay, and add more page that will be matched with your voiceover. Okay, like this. It's really easy and simple, so you just need to follow those steps. Alright, like this. Then go to the first page. Okay, let's check.
Hey there, fellow dream chasers.
What you need to do, click on elements and click on the search over here and search for hello. Click on videos. Scroll down, you will find a lot of videos here that you can use in your first video. Just click on the video that you want, that you like to use. Your video will be over here. Click on these 3 points, set the video as background, and click here and make it short. You can control it from here. You can make it short or long. Make it just short, like this.
Hey there, fellow dream chasers. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about...
What you need to do next is you need to delete this hello and search for success, for example, like this. Click on videos and I will use, for example, this one. You will find a lot of videos here about motivation and success. Okay, I will click over here like this. I will make this one short. Let me see.
Where we're all about unlocking your potential and achieving the success.
Okay, I will use this one too. Just click on the next page and put this the second video, make it short. Click on the next page. I will add this one over here. Like this. Let me see.
Dose of motivation and inspiration tailored just for you. We all know that...
I will add this one over here. So you just need to keep adding those short videos about motivation and success to your YouTube video to make your video more engaging. Okay, I will add this one like this. Next page, I will scroll down. You can also search for, okay, let's search for motivation. Click on videos and you will find a lot of videos here about motivation. Okay, so for example, like this one, set the video as background, make it short, click on the next page, scroll down. You will add this one over here. Next page. This one over here. Like this. Next page, scroll down. This one like this. Next page, I will scroll down. So you just need to keep scrolling down. You will find a lot of videos that will be matched with your voiceover. So you just need to give it time to find good videos to use it. So I'm just showing you how you can do it. So for you can give it time to make a great and engaging professional engaging YouTube video. Okay, so for me, I'm just showing you how you can do it. I don't want to make this video too much long. As you can see, what you need to do after you adding all your those videos, go to the first page, click between those two pages, click on add transition, and choose which transition you want to add between your videos to make your videos more engaging. I'm gonna just choose this one, this simple, make it to 0.3 second, click on apply between all page, and here you go. Let's check now this video.
Hey there, fellow dream chasers. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about unlocking your potential and achieving the success you deserve. And today, I have a special dose of motivation and inspiration tailored just for you. We all know that success is not an overnight journey. It requires dedication, persistence, and a burning desire to achieve your goals. So, let's dive right into today's topic: how to unlock your true potential and pave your path to success. The first step on this incredible journey is to identify your passion.
Here you go, guys. As you can see, I just made motivational YouTube video just by using AI website and Canva. Okay, so after you finish editing your video, you can click over here on share, scroll down, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Then you can go and start your own faceless motivational YouTube channel without showing your face, without using your voice, and start uploading like those videos if you are interested to make money with YouTube. Okay, it's really super and easy now with this. With the help of AI, it will be super easy and it will be fast for you to make like those videos and start making money like those YouTube channels on YouTube that I show you. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video. If you have any question or you are interested to start with any YouTube niche but you don't know how, just leave it in the comments. I will make a new video and show you how you can start making any faceless YouTube videos you want. I can make any type of faceless YouTube videos. Okay, so see you in my next video.